Fjord, and today I'm making a review of Binance.com. So let's read about this on Wikipedia. So Binance is Cayman Islands domiciled cryptocurrency exchange that provides a platform for trading various cryptocurrencies, founded in 2017. As of April 2021, Binance was the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world in terms of trading volume. Binance was founded by Cheng Zhao, commonly known as CZ, a developer who has previously created a high-frequency trading software. Okay, so basically that's it's in China, it comes from China, but let's see what we have here. So this is the application for the PC and Mac, and let's get into this. And so first of all, I own a lot of money here, but guys, this is a initial warning for you all. So trading, it, it doesn't matter where. It can be cryptocurrency, it can be market shares. So this is very risky. You can, around 78% of traders lose their money. And even sometimes very experienced traders, they lose their money. So be cautious and trade really carefully. So don't send too much money. So I hide it here, the balance, and I will not show that because this is, and actually I hold quite a lot of money, not only here, but also on Binance Org and Cake Swap and other so-called platforms. So guys, let's see about and let's see what's going on. So basically I have a lot of Cake USDT. So I usually have a lot of Cake coins, and actually I bought them somewhere in May. Most of them was here, and as you can see there was a big crash, so it ended really badly. In one day, lots of people lost so much money. It was so fast. It was like in 10, I don't know, in like sometimes there was like 10 minutes and it's gone. But now, as you can see, it's quite bullish. We have a lot of things, good things going on. So that's a good sign. And since May 23rd, it keeps rising, and we see the averages are changing their trend to up, and that's a good sign. So let's take a look about BNB. This is this is Binance coin, and this is so either BUSD or USDT. It's almost the same. So this is like stable coin. Okay, so guys, first of all, let's take a look at BNB. And as you can see, it also follows the Cake and other cryptocurrencies trend. So there was a big crash, and now it's going up. And as you can see today, it has very large going up trend. And what's interesting that, as you can see on the dates, which are here, yeah, on the below, the funny thing is that when the weekend comes or approaches, it not necessarily when it comes, but when it approaches, the price goes down. It's not always, but sometimes, but it's usually. So even CZ, he tweeted once time, and actually it was the truth. I don't know what was much longer before, but now the thing is that's very common, that when the weekend approaches, the price goes down. So basically, there was a case when on Friday midnight, the price was falling so sharply that, but by Monday midnight, I mean between Sunday and Monday, the price was going up. But there was a case when on Thursday, that was a trick, like on Thursday it was going down. But there could be cases like for example, there was a national US holiday which broke it down and it was 3 days off. So that could be a reason. But guys, if you see this trend, if you see this common for longer time, I don't know, maybe you will be still watching my video in 2022. So let's keep eye on this, and please comment below if that's still will be a thing, you know. So that's interesting. So guys, now let's talk about what's the most interesting thing about Binance. And what I really love is the savings of Binance Earn. This is really nice thing. This is the main reason, because I'm actually not a very active trader. I'm not a day trader. I'm just a holder. I used to be, and I was using even 3 commas bots, which gave me a quite good experience. But you know, I will show you later in the new videos. So this is the most interesting thing on Binance, and it's quite reliable. But also, mind, this is a flexible savings, so that's fine. You know, locked savings has locked duration days, and it's a little bit risky. Everything actually is risky, but with flexible savings, you can transfer and you can actually redeem. You can get out your money at the same second once you click redeem, withdraw, or any other term you use. But when it comes to locked savings, if you transfer and then you redeem earlier, for example, 5 days, 6 days, and you redeem, and because the price will go down, it doesn't matter. You will not get the interest that you will earn for 6 days. You will get nothing out of that, but you will still get the whole money that you invested. But I mean, not the whole money, but the cryptocurrency unit you invested, because the money will fall. So you will not get the same price. You either get less or value in FIAT, or get more. So for example, I invested 10 euro, you can get less. But the most interesting thing, okay, I will not show that, but I'm investing some money here. So the most interesting thing is the, okay, let's get back. And the Binance Earn, we click for, and what's interesting, you can, when flexible, when savings are flexible, so this is the information, you will get auto pop up. So once you get money, the next day it will be taken to savings account again. So locked staking, this is most interesting, and the percentages are really crazy sometimes. But even though it's 58%, don't trust. I mean, it's AP per year. APY, it's per year. So it's not like, okay, 57% in 1 month, I will get 57% increase. No, first of all, the value could drop, so you will not get this amount. And what's next? You will get this amount per year. So that's not quite a lot, but still, with a 58%, it's quite a lot. Even there are some cases with 100%, and actually I use on so-called pancake swap. So I'll show you later. There are even more. I saw 3000% APY. So this is really crazy, and this is really nice. So guys, for now it's all, and I will show you a new video. In new video, I will introduce you with more information, and it's very interesting. But guys, you know, invest carefully. So peace.